Is steam leaking from your pressure cooker lid? Then you need a new sealing ring. The sealing ring forms the seal between your pressure cooker pot and its lid. The seal is made of rubber and will harden over time or even crack. When this happens, the lid won't seal tightly and steam can leak. The sealing ring kit includes a new overpressure plug. The overpressure plug is also made of rubber and will harden over time. Your overpressure plug should be replaced whenever the seal is replaced to ensure safe operation of your pressure cooker. Replacing the pressure cooker sealing ring is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing the old sealing ring from the pressure cooker lid. The old sealing ring just simply pulls away from the lid. Now I'll remove the old overpressure plug. I'll use a small screwdriver and push it through from the top of the lid. Before installing the new sealing ring and overpressure plug, you want to thoroughly clean the lid, being careful to remove any food or calcium that might have been built up underneath the old seal and the old overpressure plug. Before installing the new sealing ring and overpressure plug, make sure you wash them with hot water and soap and let them dry. The new sealing ring just slides underneath the locking tabs on the lid. We'll install the new overpressure plug from the underside of the lid. The domed portion should be down. You'll notice it says top. You should be able to read that from the outside of the pressure cooker after this is installed. To install it, I just simply press it into the opening like that. And now reinstall the lid.